Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious stir-fry beef and broccoli, step by step. First, let's get all our ingredients ready. Thinly slice 1 pound of beef against the grain for maximum tenderness. Next, cut 1 pound of broccoli florets into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Don't forget to mince 3 cloves of garlic and grate 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and faster. Now let's marinate our beef to infuse it with flavor and ensure it stays tender. Combine the sliced beef with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, letting it sit for at least 15 minutes. While that's marinating, prepare your stir-fry sauce. In a bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch until smooth. This sauce is key to a flavorful dish. It's time to start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large wok or skillet over high heat until it's shimmering. Add the marinated beef in batches, stir-frying each batch for 2 to 3 minutes until it's beautifully browned. Remove the cooked beef and set it aside. Next, add the broccoli florets to the hot pan. Stir-fry them for 3 to 5 minutes or until they are crisp, tender, and vibrant green. This ensures they retain a nice bite. Almost done. Return the cooked beef to the wok with the crisp, tender broccoli. Give it a quick toss to combine. Now, pour your prepared stir-fry sauce evenly over the beef and broccoli. Continue to stir constantly for 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken and coat everything beautifully. Once the sauce has thickened to your liking, your delicious beef and broccoli stir-fry is ready. Serve it immediately over fluffy steamed rice for a satisfying and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.